I don't believe what is happening in our Christian world because some of so-called teacher of the Bible, out of jealousy, they speak against the miracles of God because they don't see it, don't see it in their ministry. Why? They don't believe in miracle. That is for today. They don't believe healings, prophecy, words of knowledge. That it is for today. That's why they are jealous, like Justin Peter, John MacArthur, and many of those cessationist beliefs. Try to search for them and watch for them, but don't subscribe for their channel because you won't get anything. You won't get grow out of their lives. No, you will become stagnant when you follow these people because they themselves don't have good fruits like the person they are talking against, like Tide White and Benny Hinn and many more. So don't follow these people or this so-called Bible teacher. Listen to their teaching. It's a good thing because it's biblical, but don't follow their way of lives and their teaching because you won't get grow. No, you won't grow. I mean to say, you won't grow if you follow their teaching and their ministry. You won't grow. You will be stagnant like their lives and their and the people they are teaching. So I warn you, don't follow these people that even use witchcraft to disprove the miracle of God. Remember, I speak about Darren Brown. Darren Brown is a witchcraft magician, witchcraft. He disproved the miracle of God upon Todd White by saying that the leg grow is fake. Why he doesn't ask the person that is been healed and leg grow and walk walk back healed and walk balance. Ask the person first that been healed before speaking against the miracle of God. Don't ever do that. And don't follow these people. You won't get anything good from there because you only get jealousy and hatred for this man of God. Don't. The Bible said that test every spirit, not to judge every man doing miracle. That's not the Bible said. It says that test every spirit if they are really from God, not to judge, because God will ask you and me. If you are judged, we are judged. We are judging ourselves first. So, I warn you people, Don't follow this person that disprove the miracle of God, even consulting the witchcraft people like Darren Brown and other witchcraft to disprove the miracle of God. Follow the man of God that is very fruitful, or their ministry is growing. Follow these people like Todd White. Todd White, I salute the ministry of Todd White. Even Catherine Creek, many so-called Christian talk about her, against her. That is especially the people talking against her is cessationist people that doesn't believe in miracle. So I warn you now, don't follow these people, because their spirit, their hatred will be transferred to you. They will become hateful to the man of God that is doing ministry of God. So just keep on studying the Bible, consulting the Bible, not these people, because they have a preconceived idea, or a preconceived doctrine taught by their professor on Bible school. You know what I mean? I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just a warning. Don't follow these people. They won't do you any good. No. You won't be grown. I tell you. You will be like them, stagnant and full of jealousy and hatred in their heart. Don't follow these people. Follow those people that is very fruitful. You will get something. If you want your ministry to be fruitful and growing still, follow and watch these people, this man of God or woman of God. Follow them and watch them, and get their lifestyle. Follow or imitate their lifestyle. These people is very prayerful, and Bible people. I tell you. Hope you understand what I'm telling you. Thank you. God bless.